See you later, Mexico. Right, Wonderwall capo 2, E minor 7, all 4 fingers, over to G. Keeping those 4 fingers on all these chords, D sus4, A7 sus4. Make sure these 2 fingers are right there. These 2, these 2, these 2, these 2. Now that'll be a guide for you, so you could, I want you to try and fill in the gaps, but if I kind of make it a bit more manual to start with, 3 down hits, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, and then trying to go up, up, down, down on that A7 sus4, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Now we're then going to move to this bit that goes, and all the roads we had to walk are winding, and all the lights that light the way are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. So let's try all that. 3, 4, and all the roads we had to walk are winding, and all the lights that light the way are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Now then our chorus, we want to try and treat the rhythm the same as the first part, but we're just going to tweak the order. We're going to start with a C add 9 to E minor 7, then to G, but then back to E minor 7. And if we do that again with that kind of manual rhythm, but then we'll try and, you know, work more rhythm in, work more strums in. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. Still a classic, still brilliant, still mega, and even more poignant right now after last night's result. Bye bye, Mexico.